Hello and welcome to OnePlan. In this quick video, we will guide you on how to make the most of OnePlan. You'll learn how to navigate and find detailed information on how to use OnePlan.
In OnePlan, the left navigation menu lets you see the various areas that you've been given access to. Think of areas as different solutions that you can enable for your organization, departments, or functions. OnePlan areas aid in efficiently organizing, tracking, and managing projects across different functional groups. This gives you a streamlined view, letting you focus on areas that are relevant to you, such as the ideation portfolio. The right arrow icon below the help guide displays specific icons and names for each area, such as ideation.
For instance, areas available to me include home, my work, ideation, portfolio, strategic portfolio, professional services, project portfolio, application portfolio, and product portfolio management. If you prefer a view with only the icons, click on the left arrow to hide the names.
To learn more about how to use any of these areas in OnePlan, simply click on the Help Guide icon. For example, when in the Ideation Portfolio area, clicking on the Help Guide icon opens a dialog box offering specifics about that area. For extra help, click on the Get Support icon to access the OnePlan support portal. This portal offers a comprehensive range of resources, including user guides, admin guides, and even a trial guide.
Additionally, you can use OnePlan's Ask Sophia virtual assistant for contextual help. Simply select the Ask Sophia tab and input your question for context-specific help. For instance, if you want to understand more about using the innovation management area, you can ask, "What is innovation management?" or "How do I create a new idea in the ideation portfolio?" You'll notice that Sophia also offers links to relevant OnePlan support documentation for more detailed information. Lastly, if you can't find the required information, you can submit a request, and a member of the support team will get back to you promptly.
Creating new plans within OnePlan is easy. From your homepage, find your plans area, and you'll see all the plans that you have access to and where you can create a new plan. Or you could just go to the areas of your choice and click on New Plan as well.
Inviting users to OnePlan is a simple process. OnePlan allows you to create generic resources or to invite or add named resources to your OnePlan group. OnePlan offers several methods to add named resources. 1, using Office 365 with strict authentication. 2, utilizing multi-authentication when the user is part of your Entra Office 365 tenant. And 3rd, enabling multi-authentication when the user is an external resource and uses an external email.
To invite a user, navigate to the Resource Center from the main navigation menu. Then click the Add Resource button to display the Add Resource form, and here you can fill out all the necessary details to invite that user.
Think of a OnePlan group as a separate instance within OnePlan. It's possible to be a member of several groups. If you are part of various groups within OnePlan, you can switch between groups. Simply navigate to the Groups section at the top menu bar to switch from one group to another.
An organization might use more than one OnePlan group to manage different departments or projects. For example, one group could be dedicated to the marketing team, another for the operations team, and a third for a different division within your organization. This separation allows each team to manage their projects, tasks, and resources independently while still using the broader capabilities of the OnePlan platform.
If you're an owner, that is an admin within OnePlan, you are able to go into the settings by clicking on the gear. If you're not an owner, then you will not see this gear.
So if you're new to OnePlan and you're going to be the OnePlan admin for your group, you may need to complete a form to get access to all of the advanced settings within OnePlan. To return to OnePlan, click on the OnePlan icon.
Now you're ready to get started with OnePlan. If you have any questions or need help, please let us know. We look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.